Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
There are hundreds of videos online on how to apply foundation correctly. But the bigger challenge is how to choose the right shade of foundation. The art of application can be improved with practice, but wearing the wrong shade can make you look unnatural and chalky. First things first, you might want to figure out your undertone. If the veins on your wrist look green, then you have a warm undertone. Foundations with yellow in them will work the best for you. If your veins look blue, then you have a cool undertone. Go for foundations with pink in it. If you're not sure of your undertone, then just go for the one with the slightly yellowish cast or undertone. You can never go wrong with it. When choosing the right shade, make sure you're trying it on under natural light. Make a stripe of the foundation from your cheek to the jawline and blend it in. Now do the same with another foundation that's one shade lighter and another that's one shade darker. The shade that blends in completely should be your pick. Try it on your forehead as well because sometimes that area tends to be darker. If it works in both the areas, then you have picked your shade. There are tons of options when it comes to the consistency of foundations. There's mousse, liquid, cream and powder. Choose the one that works best for your skin type. For someone who has a very dry or a dull skin, you might want to go for foundations which will give you a glowy and a dewy effect. Go for foundations which are hydrating and moisturizing like a liquid foundation. They will give you medium to full coverage. Avoid powder and mattifying foundations because they will make your skin even more dry. For someone who has an oily skin, the ideal match is something that will make your skin matte and shine free. You want to go for matte foundations that are oil-free and it will give you light to medium coverage. For full coverage, you can go for cream or compact foundations. Use finishing powder to keep your foundation from coming in contact with air and oxidizing. Hope this brings you one step closer to getting your perfect foundation shade. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And before I go, let me tell you about the POPxo shop. We have some really cool stuff in store for you guys. We have phone covers, laptop sleeves, mugs and a lot more. Click on the link in the description box below to check them out. And for more beauty tips and tricks, tune in to POPxo Beauty.